Hello and welcome. Thank you so much to joining this video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to optimize your Google Ads campaign. You already have run your ads campaign, but you do not get the best conversation. You do not get your expected result. In this situation, you need to optimize your ad. Here, I will discuss in deeply how to optimize your ads uh, in advancedly. So let's go to discuss. At first, you have to check the best campaign who bring the best result. If you notice, here is two ad campaign. I just show you. Here is a two ad campaign. Here you can see two campaign. You need to select which campaign bring the best result. So at first you have to check which campaign is the best result, and the campaign who bring the best result. You need to increase your budget, and then you have to pause budget which campaign is underperforming in our performance. So at first you have to check your campaigns which campaigns bring the best result. Then comes to the best ad group. If you have to select which ad group is worked so good. So if you check, I just going to show you ad group. Here you can see four ad group is now is available. So if you I just check the metrics, conversation rate. If you notice, you can see there has a one ad group is underperforming, and this conversation is so poor. So you have to pause this campaign, and you have to increase your budget which ad group work is so perfect. So I hope that you understand what I'm saying. So you have to select your best ad group, and you need to create some ad group. In this video, I'm going to create a ad group after discussing all about things. So you have to post some ad group, and you have to increase your budget of which ad group is work best, and you should create a new ad group for testing purpose. Then you need to check ad strength. It's so important because you have to check ad strength that is worth performly or the average. How you get ad strength? If you go in the ad and extension, you will check here. If you check these are the ads. Here ad strength. If you do not get on your dashboard in ad strength, just click the column, and here you can modify your column. Then you need to search here. If you just write strength, you will get it. Okay. So if you check ad strength, here is not working the good. I just go here. Here you can see ad distance is poor. That means your ad is not work. You need to improve your ad. So just click here and improve your ad. I just discuss about things you need to work here is manually. Then you can improve. So here you can see ad distance is poor, so you need to increase your ad distance. So hope that you understand how can you increase your ad distance. So you understand here is four ad group, but three ad group is poor. So you have to increase ad distance. That means you have to change ad copy, and then you have to test what is the performance about the ad distance. Then you need to check search terms reports, because search terms reports also cost our money. If you check, I just going to in the keywords and the search terms. Here you can see under the keywords you will get the another option that is known as the search terms. So if you check the search terms report, So you will get there has a lots of new keywords uh, in your campaign who cost your money. So if you you need to check the search terms reports, and you have to kill or the first irrelevant keywords, and you have to you have to collect the new keyword which is the relevant on your businesses. Then you have to make the negative word list. So it is so important. If you do not select the negative keyword, do not set up negative keywords, your money waste in the irrelevance keyword. So how can you set up your negative keywords? If you go in the tools and the settings, you have to you have to show the option negative keyword list. You need to work here and list all your negative keywords which is relevant on your businesses. So hope that it is also the part of the ad optimization. Then you have to make the you have to check your auction insight. That means your competitor how works. So if you check auction insights, you will see your competitor. I'm sorry, in this campaign here is not auction insight is available. I hope that is come as soon as possible. So you have to check your auction insights. That helps to understand who is competitors or to related on your businesses do works or performance. You can see impression share, overlap, position above rate, etc., etc. You need to check out. Then you have to check the best performing ad copies, because ad copy is so important to get instant results to get CTR, etc. So you have to check the best performing ad group, and then you have to best performing ad copies. If you run four ad group, there has a four type of ad copy. You need to check which ad group works performance best, which ad copy bring the best result that is your expected. Then you need to increase your budget on this ad copy. Then you have to check the best performing keywords. If you check your keyword list, you will see the best performing keywords. Here if you check, you will see the best performing keyword. And you also you need to check the quality score. How you will get the quality score? Just here, if you search, I just here you can see quality score. Just apply, you can see the quality score of the keywords. Quality score is so important. If I check the quality score, then you will see, I'm sorry, I just take again quality score. Yes, quality score is below now. Okay, I just going to show up. Okay, so the best performing keyword, you need to select quality score. Here you can see the quality score. The quality score is 8, 9 in the best, the perfect. So the best performing keyword have the best quality score. You need to select, and quality score depends on your website and interaction rates and website speed, etc. So you understand. So then you have to pause the underperforming keywords. That means the keywords, it does not bring the conversation. Just pause the keyword. You need to pause the keyword, and you have to select. You have to find out the new keywords. Then you have to change your bidding strategy. Bidding strategy is so important for your business. You have to run several different types of the different types of ad groups, different types of bidding strategy, and then you have to select which bidding strategy bring the best results on your campaign. Then you have, sometimes you can select the recommendation on Google, which is give the Google. If here you can see the recommendation. Always you need to work here. It does not matter. Just you can make decision which is the best. But recommendation Google is the machine learning process. Here you can see your optimization is good. Then here you can see the recommendation. If you check the recommendation, if you think this recommendation is good for your campaign, so you can apply this recommendation. So hope that you understand how to optimize your ad copy. Now I'm going to create a new ad group for a new ad group for in this campaign, because in this campaign I need to optimize. So I'm going to create a new ad group for so I just go, I already selected some best keyword. I just copy this keyword. Before copy keyword, I just create a new ad group. I will create now I think I already discussed about how to optimize an ad, and I will create a new video for creating ad group. Thank you so much. If you have any questions, but if you want to optimize ad, you can contact me on my WhatsApp number. I will give my WhatsApp number on my description. You can give me a project that I can help you to create the best result on your campaign. Thank you so much.